December 25 is Christmas Day for many, but for indigents of Ekpe in Nneyi, Umueri, Anambra East Local Government area, it is a day for celebration of peace and unity. Ekpe, the youngest of the three quarters in Nneyi, which is one of the villages in Umueri town, decided 5 years ago to celebrate Ekpe Day after peace was brokered among the three quarters of Umueri, Akwete and Ekpe as a means of fostering love, peace and unity among selves. Correspondent Ekpe completes this report.
These people used this year's celebration as a front for the sending off of their chairman, Mr. Alfonso Okeke, who they said made it possible. The women, made up of Umuada and Ndinyom, led by their leaders, Mrs. Christiana Ibem and Mrs. Philippa Odili, respectively, presented Mr. Okeke with gifts as a sign of their appreciation. They prayed for continued peace and unity in the community. For the new chairman of Ekpe, Mr. Chikelue Udemba, he will sustain the temper of leadership and builds on the already laid foundation to promote peace and conviviality among the people.
My promise to Ekpe is that I will try my best to lead them to the promised land. Kantuyali anoni boko we banya ofuma. Asina okwa agwere nwata n'aka na ọma anyụ narịa. Nkwa nna ekwe ndị bụ ndị Ekpe. But na me disappointed and okeve yevu na Umueri no Mambala and Nigeria na oke obuna nwoke maọbụ nwanyị kwesịrị ilutu ndị bụ ndị Ekpe aye make sure na olutulu arụ ma nwoke dia ma nwanyị dia.
Speaking, Mr. Okeke, who was visibly elated over the gesture, charged the people to continue to toe the path of peace, as it is the only way their community can develop for the better. Earlier, the chairman on the occasion, Mr. Lawrence Ikebunam, represented by his brother, Mr. Chibuzo, commended Ekpe for remaining resolute in their quest for peace and prayed God to assist them in their pursuit for unity.
His message to the people is that starting from today, that I have represented him, that joy will never cease in this community, that progress will continue to abide in this community, and oneness.
A masquerade, Atom Maugonabo from Aba, thrilled the guests with his musical troupe. From Ekpe in Nneyi, Umueri, Princess Ekpe, ABS News.